Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about unionByName function in a PySpark. So what is unionByName? UnionByName combine two data frames with matching column names. So that's really handy actually. And I will show you why this is better instead of just union. It does not depend upon the column order, just the column name. So that's why it is better, because it only depends upon the name of the columns, not the order. Very useful when schemas are the same, but the column order is different. So that's where we use this one. So here we have this sample data, and we are going to create a data frame 1 from here. So we have data 1, we have name here, country here, and then we have age. And then we have data 2, where we have name and then age in the middle and then country at the end. And here we are creating data frame 1, and we are telling use this data 1 to create this data frame. And here's the list of the column name, country, and age. And then we are creating data frame 2, and in this case we're saying use the sample data we have right here, and it has name, age, and country. You see the order right here. This name is fine with the name, but the country and age, so here country is not in the same order in the first data frame with the second data frame, and age is also in not the same order right there. So now we can go ahead and print data frame 1 and 2 and take a look from there. I just want to show you it's more easy to read when you see the output. So here is my data frame 1, and you can see that we have name, country, and age, and here we have data frame 2, name, age, and country. So if we union them with the old style, what's going to happen? This name will be merge with this name, then country will be merged with the age if we use the normal union. So let me do that first. Actually, instead of union by name, I'm going to go ahead and say just union, so you will see the difference. So here we are creating a new data frame, and we are saying df1 data frame 1 union data frame 2. So we are unioning two of these data frames. So let's execute this one and see the output out of it, and then we will go and change the union by name. So you see that when we had data frame 1 and 2, actually let me do one thing. I'm going to print all of them, so I will show you exactly what's happening. Okay, so here you see that we have data frame 1 and 2, and here is name, and country, and age. Here we have name, age, and country. And when you union them, as the union work on order of those columns, not the name of the columns, so in the country and age got merged, because there's a second column in our each of the data frame. So here is in the first data frame we have country, in the second data frame where we have age, and now it took like, oh, here's a country, let me put the country name here, and then took the age from the second column here from the second data frame. That's the problem with the union. If you have data frames, they are in the perfect order, even the names are different, then you can use union. But we are in a situation where our data frame has a different order of their columns. So for what works best for us is union by name. And as the names are matching in both data frames, now we will be just fine. I'm going to go execute this code again, and I'm going to show you how exactly this is working now. Now you can see that we have name, country, and age, and then we use the union by name in this case, and the data frame 1 and data frame 2 are merged together, and they are merged by the name of the columns. So you see that the name here, and perfectly line Amishazad and Ali Raza right here, then took the Bob and Lisa from there, then went for the country, and here the country is Pakistan and USA for df1, and for df2 it is the UK and Canada, so it took the values from there, and then age is coming just rightly as well. So in situations where you have data frames, the order of the columns are different and you need to union them, you will be using a union by name, and that's your best way to do it. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.